Your SRS light is located in the upper left corner. Here's the connector. So on the connector, the very first pin on it right here is your horn. Then you count over 2 pins, leave open. The third pinhole is SRS, supplement restraint system. Skip one, next one, SRS also. All it's looking for is a resistance between that of about 2 ohm. So a 2 ohm resistor, run some leads off of it. You can do it fancy and plug it all in, whatever. Tape it up so they won't pull back out. Whatever, get a connector, cut a connector, whatever you want to do. But those are the pin outs for it.